This is a tutorial on how to set up your personalized Trendsi storefront. Please keep in mind, if you are a Shopify seller, you do not need to do this. First, select this. And here we are going to set your store name. I'm just going to use test store, and you can upload a store logo here. Both of this information can be changed later on. Now we are just creating some products for you to choose from. That way you don't start with an empty store. I'm just going to choose a few here and move on. And there we go. Your store has been created, and you can actually preview the Trendsi storefront to see what your customers will see when they click on your personalized store link. This will also be able to be changed later on if you want to change up your store name. So this is what the storefront will look like to your customers, and that was a very quick and easy way to start your Trendsi store.